Embarking on a road trip can be one of the most exhilarating experiences, offering the freedom to explore hidden gems and breathtaking landscapes at your own pace. However, a great road trip requires more than just a full tank of gas and an adventurous spirit. Here are some essential do's and don'ts to help ensure your journey is both enjoyable and safe. Do plan your trip route in advance. Research and map out your route before you hit the road. Use apps like Google Maps or Waze to check traffic conditions and find the quickest or most scenic routes. Planning your stops for gas, food, and rest can also help you avoid unwanted surprises. Don't rely solely on GPS technology. It's always a good idea to have a physical map or printouts of your directions as backups in case your digital devices fail. Do check your vehicle. Ensure your vehicle is roadworthy before departing. This includes checking the oil level, tire pressure, brakes, and coolant. It's also wise to pack an emergency kit with essentials like jumper cables, a tire repair kit, and extra water. Also, you may want to consider renting a car for your trip. It can be a smart alternative to using your own, especially if you're concerned about wear and tear on your vehicle or if you need a different type of vehicle to suit your trip, like a 4x4 for rough terrains or an SUV to bring all of your road necessities. Also, a rental car might provide for a more reliable or newer car option with better fuel efficiency and enhanced features like built-in GPS, which could make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Don't ignore your car's warning lights. Address any potential issues before you embark on your trip to avoid breakdowns or dangerous situations on the road. Do pack light but smart. Bring versatile clothing and essentials without overloading your car. Space-saving packing techniques and organizational tools like packing cubes can be incredibly useful. Don't leave valuables visible in the car when parked. Always store them in the trunk or take them with you when you leave the car. Do stay flexible. Do allow room for spontaneity. One of the joys of road tripping is discovering new places and experiences along the way. Be open to deviating from your planned route to explore something interesting. Don't overschedule your days. Trying to pack too many activities or destinations into each day can be stressful and detract from the enjoyment of your trip. Do take breaks. Regularly stop to stretch your legs and refresh yourself. Driving for long periods without breaks can lead to fatigue and decreased alertness. Don't push through tiredness. If you're feeling drowsy, take a break or switch drivers if possible. Safety should always be your top priority. Do enjoy local flavors. Try local cuisine and support small businesses along your route. Eating at local restaurants and visiting local attractions can add authentic experiences to your trip. Don't rely on fast food and chain restaurants. While convenient, they can deprive you of the local culture and culinary experiences. Do capture road trip memories. Take photos and keep a travel journal. Documenting your journey can help capture memories that you can cherish long after the trip ends. Don't spend too much time on your devices. Enjoy the scenery and the company of your fellow travelers without distractions. Don't forget travel etiquette. Respect the environments you visit. Keep nature clean by disposing of waste properly and staying mindful of wildlife and natural habitats. Don't leave anything behind but footprints. Take all your trash with you and avoid disturbing natural landscapes and wildlife. Conclusion: following these do's and don'ts will help you have a safer, more enjoyable road trip experience. Whether you're hitting the road solo or with companions, the key is to be prepared, stay flexible, and make the most of every moment. Also, if you're traveling with pets, check out our video guide to pet-friendly car rentals. Happy travels!